The way to manage risk is to have rules and stick to them. That is it. The moment, it's like the moment you allow yourself to deviate slightly from your rules, the game is all over. It's like the drug addict that says, well, I'll just have a little bit, and then boom, they're back into drugs. Or the alcoholic that says, I'll have a little. It's like, no, it's got to be black or white. You're either on plan with your rules or you're not. I have met, if I could have a penny for every currency trader or any kind of trader or investor, businessman that I've met that said, well, you know, on this occasion I just, is the beginning to the great downfall. So, you know, there's some things in life you can be flexible on. Rules are certainly not one of them. And that's how you remain disciplined. That's how you keep risk low. And make sure that you measure risk from more than one angle. You know, there's intrinsic risk. There's a whole number of different ways of measuring risk. There's time-based risk, there's financial risk, there's intrinsic risk, there's loading risk. There's all sorts of different elements of risk. And it's about having a real holistic picture of risk rather than just, you know, from one kind of one dimension, trying to have 16 dimensions if you can on risk. So you really have a fuller picture of it, like in a 3D picture, and then have really hard and fast rules that you stick to.